Today we are working on a 2008 Mazda 3 hatchback. We are changing the interior personal lights, also called the map lights. Now, when you look at the instruction booklet, the owner's manual, to tell you how to fix them, it says that these are complicated and you need to bring them in and let them do it at the dealership for you. But you don't have to do that. All you need is, you could use a flathead, but I wouldn't suggest it. I have a pry tool, a hard plastic pry tool. Has two ends to it. And there's a clip on this side, and there's a clip on this side. So all you do is stick in the clip, work it a little bit. It pops out. Out comes the panel. Now I'm working at night, so I will be putting a flashlight on it, but here are the little interior lights. On both sides they're twist and turn. But to give you an idea on what the lights looked like before, see how dull those are? That doesn't light up anything. What good is that? It doesn't do anything for you. So all we're going to do is turn these little ones out and change them to LEDs. So you twist and turn counterclockwise. Out comes a little bulb, as you can see here. Now, you don't have to do this, but I'm putting on a rubber glove. You pull out the old light. It's a little wedge type. Comes right out. So it's a wedge type bulb, like so. Here's the clip. We stick it in the clip. It goes back into the hole. It only goes one way. So you got to find the grooves for it. It'll slide in, and then you turn it. As you can see, it works. It works with the door, it works with the thing. I have already changed the other side, but it's the same idea. It turns and pulls out. Pull out the bulb. And then you just turn it clockwise. You push that little piece back. If you want, there is a clip. You can totally remove it all from the entire car and deal with it if you want that way. Before you put it back in there, make sure they both work. They both come on. It's LEDs. And it looks extremely better than the old way. Now, to get it back in there, you're just gonna clip it right up in there. Make it even, clip one side in, clip the other in. It's that simple. Flip it to door, and now they work. And it's actually a lot brighter in here and looks a bunch better. Much better. Looks a lot much better. But it's that simple. I wouldn't use a flathead because you would tear up the plastic. But if you had to use a flathead, maybe put a piece of cloth around it and just push it in on the side right here, and it'll just pop right out. And that's how you do it yourself. Fix your own shit. And this is the difference it makes. That's a whole lot brighter. I can see everything. I can see so much better in here.